Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we are going to take a look at the pluggable USB-C to HDMI cable. So what makes this cable so special is this actually operates at 4K at 144 Hertz. And it is capable to go all the way from the 4K to 8K. So if you upgrade your monitor in the future from 4K to 8K, you're going to continue to be able to use this and get an exceptional picture. Now, what I'm going to do, I have a projector here. We're going to actually go ahead and use this projector, and I'm going to hook it up to my cell phone, and we're going to see how it actually works. I'm going to play one of my little YouTube videos in the background so that you can see how this thing functions. And I'm going to show you, it is extremely easy. There's not anything you have to do. There's no switches, there's no buttons, there's nothing to do other than plug it in. Now, what you're going to want to know is what is the quality, and I'm going to tell you it's made very nice. I like the way they round all the edges. It's not going to collect a lot of dirt and dust. It's very self-contained, and the cable is bendable very easy. And it's not just the little plastic type cable. It's like a weaving that they've actually used on this. And even when you go to plug in the C, it has little grippers on the side, so you're able to slide that in or pull it out without having to struggle. So overall, it's very well made, but it's very simple. And that's the best of both worlds. You don't have to be overly complicated. So what we're going to do is I have my HDMI cable here going to my projector. I'm going to simply slide that into the HDMI side, actually get it the right direction. There we go. So it is now connected to here. So now all I have to do is hook this to my phone right here and turn on my power. It will take a second for the projector to come up. You'll hear it start to ramp. Here it goes. So we are getting close to that there. And I'm going to go ahead and hit my play button and put this into landscape mode. There we go. And play. And you can see it is functioning. And I'm going to turn the sound down so I'm not competing with the sound. Now keep in mind, guys, that picture is much better than you're getting to see through the screen. And the main reason I'm saying that is I have a lot of lights that are set up for the video production here, and it is very bright in this room. If those lights were turned down, you would see that it is much better. But the quality of the picture is very crisp, very clear, and the colors are great. So if I was rating the pluggable USB-C to HDMI adapter on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because it's extremely durable made, simple to use. It's made to be able to last for a long time. So if I go get a 8K monitor, I can actually still continue using this without any loss of quality. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we will see you on the next one.